The male bowerbird, a fascinating creature known for its extraordinary nest building and decorating skills. The bowerbird's nest is not just a simple structure but a carefully designed masterpiece. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest serves as a stage to attract potential mates. The male bowerbird's decorating skills are not limited to just colorful objects. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest and decorations play a crucial role in attracting a mate. The male bowerbird's efforts in nest building and decoration are a testament to its dedication to finding a mate. The male bowerbird's creativity and attention to detail make it one of nature's most remarkable architects. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest building and decorating skills continue to captivate researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The male bowerbird's dedication to creating an attractive nest is a testament to its desire to find a suitable mate. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest building and decorating rituals continue to inspire awe and admiration. The male bowerbird's dedication to creating an attractive nest is a testament to the power of courtship in the animal kingdom. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest and decorations are not only visually stunning but also serve as a symbol of its genetic fitness. The male bowerbird's dedication to nest building and decoration is a testament to its evolutionary success in attracting mates. The male bowerbird's elaborate nest and decorations are a true marvel of nature, showcasing the power of beauty and creativity in courtship. Remember to subscribe and like, it's essential to support the channel and help me bring new videos. Thanks and see you in the next video.